Hi, Lou Mosca, American Management. So this morning I tweeted out that if you want to create a recipe for success for today and going forward, you need to do two things. They're pretty simple, pretty direct. They're simple in concept and not simple in execution. So your recipe for success should include two things. Ready? First is you need to hold yourself and everybody that works with you accountable to a plan and a specific timeline. So your staff and yourself must have a goal that you want to achieve by a certain timeline, whether that's sales, whether that's market penetration, whether that's employee headcount, whether that's margin, whether that is a recruiting issue, doesn't matter. But each one of your people need to have a specific task that you hold them accountable to, but you must have one for yourself that you hold yourself accountable to. People will follow leaders that execute, not leaders that just chew the if you know what I mean, okay? So second thing that you need to do to be extraordinarily successful, in my opinion, is you need to outwork your competition. So you need to know what your competition is doing. You need to work harder and smarter. And I know that's a cliche nowadays, but you need to work your butt off, and you need to instill a culture in your organization that we're going to outwork everybody to get to a result. That's my recipe for success. Take it, put it in a pot, stir it up, cook it well, but that's my recipe for success. Have a good day.